Hello guys, so today is my vlog day 4 and we are doing some grocery. Although we did all the grocery last week, as you've seen in my previous vlog, and whatever a few things were remaining, eggs and butter, and yeah, most importantly my desi ghee has finished, and I had to get like butter. We are in search of it and we are going there. So guys, we are at No Frills, and I'm not a fan of frozen parathas, but then I just keep a packet at home in the freezer because sometimes when you get late in Sehri, at least you can just take these out, and at least you can have a paratha in Sehri without going through the hassle of making it. So yes, this is a pack of 30 parathas, and I think it should be enough for the whole month, and I got that for $7. Hi guys, we just come back from grocery shopping. Well, actually we had done our grocery, if you have seen last week for Ramadan. We bought great deals they were really good Ramadan deals at Iqbal Halal Foods. So we had bought major things from there, like meat, chicken, keema, for the whole, I can say, 2 to 3 weeks. So we are good to go. And now what was remaining was my desi ghee was finished. So what we do is, like most of the people, they make desi ghee from butter. So this is my butter shopping. I was lucky enough to get this deal at No Frills for $2.77. with this, the normal price is $5. So I've actually saved almost like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you can multiply by 6. If I've even saved $2 on each, it would be $12. So yeah, and this is my milk for the Ramadan, and yogurt and eggs. Okay guys, so my biggest nightmare is when I finish all my desi ghee, because my kids and my husband and we just cannot live without paratha made of desi ghee. I wasn't a big fan of desi ghee before my marriage, but after getting married, when my in-laws, they're fond of having desi ghee, and now science is proving that desi ghee and organic, whatever you get from organic milk, organic foods, they are better than what we have as vegetable oils. And coconut oil is the best for cooking. We don't use it as Pakistan, but then it is one of the best thing to have because it's organic. Then vegetable oils, now science proves that now there are studies that say that you should stay away from vegetable oils, but unfortunately we have grown up cooking in that, and we are still doing the same. But where I can switch to desi ghee, I just jump at it. I do. So let's get to the making of desi ghee. Here in Canada, we never really used desi ghee from butter, but in our country or in Dubai, we had this desi ghee made from balai or malai, whatever you call it. But here basically whoever is making it at home, they are making from butter, and whatever you get in the stores also, that's from butter. So I'll just get to the process of it because it's already 9:15 p.m. I have to prepare for Sehri today. Today is the first Sehri in Canada, Sunday 5th of May, and naturally first Sehri cannot go without eating a paratha made of desi ghee, because that is what is going to keep you full for a longer time. So let's get to it. Okay, I don't have this big pan, so I'm using this pressure cooker, which I will not use the lid of it, but I'll just use this thing. Okay, so there you go. I just got this in discount from at 2.77 from No Frills, and it's ghee butter. But it's unfortunately it's salted. In any case, I'm going to use it in paratha or in my gravy, so I don't feel the need for an unsalted one. So yeah, I got this in a very good deal. So I just bought 6 pieces of them because I already have one at home. There you go. So the last one I made was out of 3 these 3 packets, and it actually lasted around 1.5 months. So I think 6 of these will go a longer time. I think the whole month of Ramadan I can use it without the fear of finishing it off in between. And yeah, my kids are fond of eating the parathas. Like on a weekend it's a must. On like Saturdays and Sundays. On a Saturday I make it for like we all have dinner, we all have breakfast together. Like my husband is at home on Saturdays and Sundays, so one day we have desi, we have this paratha in breakfast, but the next day we usually have whole wheat bread slices. But in between, during the weekdays, if my elder one, like she likes it very much, and when she has it, like she has half of it, or she really likes it. This is going to be on slow heat for it's going to simmer for a long time, and in between I'll keep on removing whatever comes on top, which I'll show you. Okay, we don't want a burnt smell in between, so we have to put it on a very low flame, very low flame. Otherwise, if it burns, then I will get if you keep it at medium or high flame, then it will give a burnt smell. After almost 15-20 minutes, you can see what is happening. I've just kept it at number 3, like low to medium, but towards the lower end, and it's bubbling. So people usually take out this scum from the top, but I will let it to solidify a little bit more, and then we will see after 20 minutes more. I will show you what happens. Okay, so it's 10:52. I don't know how people say that they can actually make desi ghee within 30 to 45 minutes. Well, it has actually taken me 1 hour, and still it has to go 15-20 minutes further. Now you can see that the scum has started forming. Not started, it's actually there for quite a long time, but now it is starting to come to the sides, float to the sides, and below that you can see clear desi ghee. The color has turned golden, very beautiful golden, and yeah, and the smell of desi ghee is actually coming from that. So another 15 to 20 minutes and we should be good to go. I'll show you the final picture, what it is, how it looks like. This is how my desi ghee looks like in the final shape. This is good. Like I'm okay with. I had 2 bottles of this size last time, and they lasted me for around 1 to 1.5 months, and now this is, I think, good to go even after I really like the color and really like the smell of desi ghee. So bye bye, and yeah, this is what's remaining.